In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Libusb0.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows 11. Now once done, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then right click on the folder. Select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click and then select copy. Then click this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click. Locate the System32 folder. Double click, right click and then select paste. Now once done, close all the windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows, so click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.